What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping by, and be sure to click the subscribe button and the notification bell. All right, we're working on the Jeep today. Got a couple videos getting ready to come out with me doing stuff on the Jeep, but today we're gonna install a new bumper. Purchased the Winch bumper through Rough Country. So let me show you what I got here, and we'll get started. So you can see we got the bumper, the winch plate, unibody, tie-in brackets, bumper brackets, whatever you want to call them, and a box of hardware. So that's that, and let's get started putting it on. All right, so the first thing we gotta do is get these two bolts out right here. They go into the steering box. I've already loosened them up a little bit for time's sake. So let's get them out. And this bolt right here actually broke. So I'm gonna have to go back in later and try to get that fixed. But for the video right now, we're just gonna continue on, because now we're gonna slide our plate through the hole here. Let it hang there for a second while I grab some anti-seize. Just gonna put it all over this bolt just so it don't seize back up in there later. All right, so I installed the winch plate. I don't know what happened to my camera, it cut off, but Basically, you set the winch plate inside the bumper, and you install 4 bolts on each side. So now what we got to do is set it on the Jeep and put the rest of the bolts in. Now the next bolts that go in are underneath inside. I'm gonna try to get the camera in there to loosely tighten everything to so we can get everything in there. So I don't know how well you can see it, but we're gonna try to get these bolts in there. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, and all that good stuff. And let me know how the channel's doing. I got a goal set for at least 500 subscribers by the end of the year. Hopefully it happens. I got about 380 something now. And I'd like to see 500 before the end of the year. All right. All right, now that I got all the bolts installed on both sides, I'm gonna go back and tighten everything up, and I'll bring y'all back with the next step. All right, so I got all the bolts tightened up on the bumper, and put this jack under here and try to jack it up to get this gap even on both sides, which it's not. This side's a little bit lower than that side. So the only thing we got left to do is tighten up the rest of the bolts. We got the 2 bolts up front here on each side, and the 3 on this side, and the 2 on that side because I got the broken bolts I gotta fix. But other than that, we're gonna button it up and call it a day. Alright, so the bumper's all the way on now. Looks pretty good, I think. As you can see, this gap is definitely bigger than this side here, but it's alright. Alright, so that's the installation of a rough country winch bumper. I apologize, the video is kind of all over the place and choppy. Camera keeps cutting off. I'm not sure why, but it is what it is at this point. And hope you liked the video. Please like, subscribe, share, comment, click the notification bell if you haven't. I want to say thanks to all my subscribers so far. Like I said earlier in the video, I want to see like 500 towards by the end of the year. If it happens, it'd be great. If not, we'll keep working at it. And again, thanks for watching the video, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks.